Unfortunately, you don't have a socket for this. 32, and I go up to 28, so got the generator hooked up. It's down one. Picture black level. Color levels all the way up. That's a little worrying. Okay. Blue, red. Here's red. A little blue. I mean green, sorry. Green's alright. Let's do all three. That should be white. Isn't. Okay. Crosshatch. Jeez, that's not a great picture. Talk about a baked CRT, man. That's not looking so great either. Alright, there's that. Okay, NTSC bars. Let's be horrified. Oh. Holy crap, man. Ooh-wee, talk about some bleeding. What's this here? Sharpness. Man. Oh. It's one baked CRT, man. I think that's about right, I think. I don't know. Looks like it's working, but jeez. Talk about a screwed up picture, or a blurry, washed out. That's as far as it goes until it really starts blooming, and this is not very bright. It is about, I'd say like that. No, darker. Probably like that in real life. Jeez, that's pretty dismal picture, man. System's quite baked. Okay, got 2 minutes left. Let's hurry it up. Letting this thing just run for a little bit. Finishing off the video with this little 12-volt CRT I found laying on the guy's workbench. we'll test it. So shut off here. You even see it glowing? Yeah, I do. Jeez. Barely even see it glowing then. Never mind. Guess this one's just not a more filamenting one. 'Cause that is cut off. Now this could mean that it had gone to air. If I get 0 emissions with this. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.